Hello, my name is Laurel Dans. I am from Real Estate Connections, and we do property management in the Silicon Valley, Santa Clara County, and the surrounding areas. Today, we are going to talk about common rental repairs. The first one, the most common one, I think, is garbage disposals. A lot of tenants throw rice or oatmeal or avocado pits down the garbage disposal, which that definitely does need to be, repaired. Water heaters, tis the season for water heater repairs. HVAC systems, plumbing, and clogged drains. And a lot of times, side note, a lot of times this can be charged to the tenant if it is tenant, responsibility. Appliance repairs, and also broken sprinklers too. So these are all very common rental repairs, just to be prepared for. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.